What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So we really wanted to show you guys an update for those bulb layering containers we did back in November. We wanted you guys to see how beautiful and how lovely and how easy it was to plan the bulb layering, and we wanted you guys to see the results. So we're willing to share all of that with you guys. So if you guys stick around, we're going to show you guys our beautiful containers and everything that's blooming around us right now at this moment. If you look behind me, it's it's crazy. It smells like perfume in his backyard. All right guys, so this is the beautiful and lovely containers that we did. You guys remember that video. I hope you guys can go back. I'll put a link up top and look at the video, because this is the results you get from the bulb layering. You got some beautiful irises, mixed color. You got purple, white, blue, yellow. You got all different colors. If you look over here, the crocuses, they came up earlier. You got white and you have purple crocuses. That look beautiful. And the daffodils, check out the daffodils. They now coming up. The daffodils are now coming up. The daffodils was the first thing that I planted in that container. And if you see here, these are the tulips. They're now shooting up. This is their season. We're in April, and the tulips are now coming up. It's gonna look even more beautiful when those tulip bulbs come up. But right now, check this out, y'all. Me and my daughter, we planted these, and we got some really amazing results. These things smell amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If you guys look around, show them all the containers, please. Check that out, y'all. I'm gonna get out of the way so you guys can see it. Every single one just look really beautiful. This is the container right here that my daughter did. Look at that. You can have your kids do it and it'll look beautiful. Look at that. So proud of her. She did such an amazing job. Look at that, y'all. I spin this thing around. You see the crocuses inside. Everything is popping up. She's gonna have some lovely tulips. She's gonna remember this when she get a little older. Look at that, that looks nice. So basically it's just an update, man. We got a lot more to come. And we're gonna give you guys a sneak peek of some tulip bulbs, all right? Check out these beautiful tulips, y'all. These are the emperor tulips. They just look gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. Y'all enjoy. Guys, so you guys see the bulb layering and the technique that we use, nothing difficult. So like I said, you guys can go out there and try it, and we got a ton more stuff. Stick around with us. We really do appreciate you guys, especially when you hit that like button and, you know, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to do that. It will really help the YouTube algorithm, and we do appreciate that. So we want to thank you all, and I got some bees in the back of me. I think these bees gonna bite me or sting me, but you know, I'm doing this for y'all. All right, I'm out.